are the elevators here at the Park Hyatt, Washington, D.C. We got some SchindlerHaughtons that were modded by Otis. However, when they modded them, they kept the buttons original. It's going to be... I stubbed my finger a little bit. Very nice. And you can ride in style while you use these too. Pretty cool. Indicators on this car do not work. Let's see where we go. Here and take a look. Sounds like one of them's nudging. We'll take this one. Oh, I'll wait for the next one.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Hopefully this one's not so packed. Okay. Oh, going up?
Yes.
I'll just wait till you guys get to where you need to go, because what goes up does go down. The one that was going down was super packed. Alright, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
Look at that. Very cool. This is what I call a tasteful mod. This one doesn't have it has the back cushion for the chair, but the actual chair is gone. This is super nice and definitely how to mod an elevator, I would say. Really like how they left these buttons original. Alright, it should be going anywhere any minute, so here we go. Oh, it just parks. I think I'm just gonna end on B. Like to get some stills of these. They're your fixtures. Haughton L series fixtures. B goes out. And lobby actually. And we'll get off here.
So probably about 30 here.
Well, there it goes. That'll be it.